Okay, this experiment needs
2 pulley wheels, some string, and a heavy bucket.
So what is the experiment?
Henry and Freddie are going to try and use a pulley to lift that bucket.
Whoa, it looks heavy.
It is, Zoom.
Let's see if this pulley makes it easier.
Look, when they pull the string down, the bucket is lifted up. And it's easier to pull something down than to lift something up.
Oh, that's handy.
yes, but they can make it even easier. Look,
2 pulleys? But I thought they only had 1 bucket to lift.
They do, Zoom, but 2 pulleys should make it even easier.
Lot easier.
How can that be?
See how the string is wrapped around one pulley, through the handle of the bucket, and back up through the other pulley.
Oh,
That means you need to pull twice as much string, but only half as hard, to lift the bucket up to the same height.
Wow, that was great.
nice work, Henry and Freddie.
Let's find out